Hello, I'm Sue of Indigosprites, and this video is all about me unboxing the Cotton Twine cross-stitch monthly subscription for February. So that is it was actually in another box, but I've discarded that. I haven't opened it yet other than that. But that is the very pretty box actually. And now I am about to open it. So excuse me while I open the lid. There we are, this beautiful pink paper with a very pretty, sealed with a very pretty sticker. I always think it's a great shame to open this. I should have bought a pair of scissors over. It's inevitable it's going to tear. It is tissue paper after all. Here we are. Excuse the crinkling, but it's exciting. I can show you the finished picture, which is this very pretty stack of sheep around a flowery garland. Isn't that pretty? Now I know this did sell out, but now that is so pretty. This is a wooden tag. I'm trying not to crinkle the tissue paper too much. How pretty is that? All the flowers and the butterflies. A beautiful spring tag. And on the back is the to and from. So wouldn't that be lovely to put on a handmade gift that you're going to gifts to somebody? These Cotton Twine boxes, I have had a couple before. I saw this one, particularly wanted it. I'd been meaning to resubscribe for a while because I moved house. You actually get 3 of those tags. I'd moved house and I had never got round to resubscribing, but I saw a picture of this on Instagram, and I believe the company is the Historical Sampler Company who runs these Cotton Twine boxes. So you get 3 of those, and they're so pretty. And then you get some Yorkshire green tea, and it's got quite a weight to it. What's this? Sherbet Pips, dainty little hard-boiled sweets that burst with sherbet delight. Ooh, look forward to those. I'm a fiend when it comes to sweet things. Pretty colours in there as well. And they are made by Cartwright and Butler in Yorkshire, England, where an awful lot of the best stuff seems to come from Yorkshire. And it's quite a big box and has some weight behind it. So that's lovely, very pleased with that. And you got this very pretty DMC hoop for your stitching, and look how pretty that is. I know they come in different colours, and it was you sign up knowing it's potluck, you don't choose your colour, but I'm very happy with that. It's very pretty, and will look very pretty with the it seems to be the colour they've used as well, the finished picture. And it is 10.5 centimetres, that 4.1 inches? There we have it. Absolutely delighted with that. And lastly, here's the little opaque bag containing the materials you need in order to complete the little stack of sheep. Now, as I say, I know this did sell out. It was very, very popular, as Cotton Twine boxes often are, and I know the next month's one is being designed by, can't think of the lady's name now, I do apologise, but she's the lady of Caterpillar Cross Stitch. Again, I'll link her details below. So just putting all my little goodies back. So what a delightful box. I know it cost, I think it's £20 plus P&P, which I think is around £3. And they come out every month, as I say. It's I'm absolutely delighted with that. Excuse me while I just close it up. And I will link to the historical sampler company and the Cotton Twine boxes within that website if you're interested in having a look yourself. So thank you for joining me in this unboxing. It's been exciting. Bye for now.